Finding the perfect shampoo can transform your hair care routine, making your locks look healthier, shinier, and more manageable. With countless options on the market, choosing the right shampoo can be overwhelming. In this video, we'll review the top 5 shampoos of this year to help you find the one that suits your needs. From hydration to repair, these shampoos offer a range of benefits. Let's dive in and discover which shampoo could be your new go-to. Kicking off our list at number 1, Kérastase Nutritive Bain Satin 2 Shampoo. The Kérastase Nutritive Bain Satin 2 Shampoo is designed for normal to dry hair, providing essential nourishment while gently cleansing. It balances the hair's moisture levels, leaving it soft and manageable. Key features: this shampoo features a unique aerosome complex, which includes glucose, proteins, and lipids to nourish and protect the hair. It also has a light, creamy texture that's perfect for daily use. The formula is designed to enhance the natural shine of your hair while providing optimal hydration. Benefits and usage: the Bain Satin 2 shampoo is ideal for those with dry or sensitized hair. It hydrates and nourishes, ensuring your hair remains soft and shiny. Apply to wet hair, lather thoroughly, and rinse. For best results, follow with a complimentary conditioner. Usability: the creamy texture of this shampoo lathers well and rinses easily. It's suitable for everyday use, leaving hair feeling clean and soft without any residue. Its gentle formula makes it perfect for those with sensitive scalps. Durability: the shampoo maintains its quality throughout its shelf life. Proper storage in a cool, dry place helps preserve its nourishing ingredients and effectiveness, ensuring you get the best results with each use. In the second spot, we have Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Shampoo. The Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Shampoo is crafted to address multiple hair concerns, including dryness, frizz, and lack of volume. It offers a comprehensive solution for achieving clean, healthy-looking hair. Key features: this shampoo features a patented healthy hair molecule, OFPMA, that helps repel dirt and oil, keeping your hair cleaner for longer. It also provides lightweight conditioning without adding buildup. The formula is sulfate-free, making it gentle on hair and scalp. Benefits and usage: ideal for all hair types, this shampoo helps maintain hair cleanliness and manageability. Apply to wet hair, work into a rich lather, and rinse thoroughly. Regular use will keep your hair looking fresh and vibrant. Usability: the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Shampoo delivers a rich, luxurious lather that rinses out easily. It's suitable for daily use and leaves hair feeling clean and conditioned without any residue. Durability: the shampoo's performance remains consistent throughout its shelf life. Its formulation effectively repels dirt and oil, ensuring that you get a clean, refreshed feeling with each wash. Store it properly to maintain its quality. Coming in at number 3 is the Redken All Soft Shampoo. The Redken All Soft Shampoo is designed for dry and brittle hair, providing deep moisture and softness. It's perfect for those looking to restore hydration and manageability. Key features: this shampoo contains Redken's RCT protein complex, which delivers targeted conditioning to the root, core, and tip of the hair. It also features argan oil to enhance moisture and shine, making it a great choice for revitalizing dry hair. Benefits and usage: the All Soft Shampoo is ideal for anyone with dry or damaged hair. It provides intense hydration and improves softness and manageability. Apply to wet hair, lather well, and rinse thoroughly. For optimal results, follow with the All Soft Conditioner. Usability: the shampoo creates a rich lather that effectively cleanses while infusing moisture. Its creamy formula makes it easy to apply and rinse, leaving hair soft and silky without any buildup. Durability: the Redken All Soft Shampoo maintains its effectiveness throughout its shelf life. Proper storage helps preserve the quality of the argan oil and conditioning agents, ensuring you receive consistent results. Taking our 4th spot is Moroccanoil Moisture Repair Shampoo. The Moroccanoil Moisture Repair Shampoo is formulated to restore and repair damaged hair. It's enriched with argan oil and keratin to provide essential nutrients and hydration. Key features: this shampoo features a blend of nourishing ingredients, including argan oil, keratin, and fatty acids. It helps to restore moisture, strength, and elasticity while gently cleansing the hair. The formula is sulfate-free, making it suitable for color-treated hair. Benefits and usage: ideal for damaged or chemically treated hair, this shampoo helps to repair and rejuvenate. Apply to wet hair, massage into a rich lather, and rinse thoroughly. For the best results, use it in conjunction with Moroccanoil Moisture Repair Conditioner. Usability: the shampoo's rich, creamy texture provides a luxurious lather that rinses out easily. It leaves hair feeling clean, soft, and hydrated, making it suitable for regular use. Durability: the Moroccanoil Moisture Repair Shampoo retains its effectiveness throughout its shelf life. Proper storage preserves the integrity of the argan oil and keratin, ensuring consistent performance with each use. And finally, at number 5, we have Aveda Shampure Nurturing Shampoo. The Aveda Shampure Nurturing Shampoo is designed to provide a gentle, soothing cleansing experience while nurturing the hair and scalp. It's ideal for those seeking a natural, environmentally friendly option. Key features: this shampoo contains 25 pure flower and plant essences, including lavender, ylang-ylang, and bergamot, to provide a calming and refreshing scent. It also features a gentle, sulfate-free formula that cleanses without stripping natural oils. Benefits and usage: perfect for all hair types, the Shampure Nurturing Shampoo offers a gentle, nurturing cleanse while soothing the scalp. Apply to wet hair, lather, and rinse thoroughly. It's great for daily use and helps maintain a balanced, healthy scalp. Usability: the shampoo produces a light, airy lather that rinses easily. Its natural ingredients and soothing fragrance create a relaxing washing experience, leaving hair clean and refreshed. Durability: the Aveda Shampure Nurturing Shampoo maintains its quality throughout its shelf life. Proper storage helps preserve the effectiveness of the plant essences and the gentle formula, ensuring reliable results with each use. Choosing the best shampoo can make a significant difference in your hair's health and appearance. Each of these top 5 shampoos offers unique benefits, from hydration to repair and nourishment. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more hair care tips and product reviews. Thanks for watching, and here's to fabulous, healthy hair.